This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Drich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010133957, LIC number 015094112. Investment opportunity with this centrally located duplex in Columbia. This property is surrounded by like properties and part of a cul-de-sac location with paved roads. Each unit is complete with 2 master suites, open floor plan and indoor laundry. The main level of each offers high ceilings in the living room, kitchen with a breakfast bar, dishwasher and built-in desk off the side. The main level master offers a walk-in closet and stall shower in the bathroom. The upper level consists solely of the second master suite with a tub/shower combo in the bathroom. Ample indoor storage throughout from under the stairs to into the attic space. Each unit offers a quaint outdoor space, covered porch entry and plenty of level parking. This property has been well maintained with a new roof in 2015 and various appliance updates over the years. Practically zero deferred maintenance on the property, turnkey. Do not disturb occupants. For more information, review the details below or contact Drich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010133957, LIC number 015094112 at 209-768-4312.